Most extravagant toys of billionaires. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Have you ever wondered what kind of toys billionaires play with? While most of us may have grown up with traditional toys like dolls, action figures, and board games, the world's richest individuals have a different definition of playtime. From luxurious yachts to private islands, their extravagant tastes extend far beyond the realm of ordinary toys. These billionaire playthings are not only expensive, but also exquisite and exclusive, showcasing their immense wealth and lavish lifestyles. In this video, we will take a sneak peek into the most extravagant toys of billionaires, giving you a glimpse into a world of opulence and extravagance. Get ready to be amazed, and maybe a little envious as we explore the lavish toys of the ultra-rich. Toys 1. Private jets. Traveling in style. Billionaires often travel in style, and owning a private jet is a status symbol. These aircrafts offer unparalleled comfort, privacy, and flexibility. Owners can customize the interior to their liking, with features like king-size beds, showers, and home theaters. Some even have conference rooms and onboard chefs. Private jets also offer a hassle-free travel experience, as owners can avoid long security lines and flight delays. These planes can travel to remote destinations that are not accessible by commercial flights, allowing owners to have more control over their itinerary. Private jets come in various sizes, from small business jets to large airliners converted for private use. The cost of ownership ranges from a few $1,000,000 to hundreds of millions, depending on the size and model. Some billionaires even have multiple private jets to suit different travel needs. Despite the high cost, owning a private jet is a valuable investment in time for billionaires who value privacy, luxury, and convenience. They also get to buy back time by trying to beat the clock and getting to multiple destinations in one go. Toys 2. Luxury cars, the ultimate status symbol. Luxury cars are a favorite toy of billionaires who value style and performance. These vehicles not only provide transportation, but also serve as a status symbol. Billionaires often own a collection of luxury cars, ranging from classic to modern models. These cars come with top-of-the-line features like leather interiors, advanced sound systems, upgrades, and custom colors. Some billionaires even customize their cars with unique designs and modifications, making them one of a kind. Luxury cars are not only about style but also performance. They offer a powerful engine, advanced suspension, and smooth handling. Many billionaires own supercars, which are the pinnacle of speed and luxury. These cars come with advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and powerful engines. Some are even modified to produce even more horsepower and speed. The cost of luxury cars varies, with some models costing millions of dollars. Despite the high cost, owning a luxury car is a valuable investment for billionaires who value style, performance, and exclusivity. Toys 3. Mega yachts, floating palaces. For billionaires who love the sea, mega yachts are the ultimate toy. These floating palaces offer every imaginable luxury, from helipads to infinity pools. Some yachts even have onboard submarines and mini-subs for exploring the depths. Mega yachts can cost hundreds of millions of dollars and are often customized to their owners' tastes. They also come in with a full crew. They can be as long as a football field and feature multiple decks, staterooms, and lounges. Many yachts also have state-of-the-art entertainment systems, such as movie theaters, nightclubs, and even golf simulators. Owners can cruise to exotic destinations and enjoy the privacy and seclusion of their own vessel. Mega yachts are a status symbol among the elite, and their owners spare no expense in making them the most extravagant vessels on the seas. The yachting industry is constantly pushing the limits of design and technology, making it an exciting time for billionaires who want to own the most impressive yacht. Toys 4. Luxury timepieces, the ultimate wrist candy. For billionaires, luxury timepieces are more than just a way to tell time. They are a symbol of wealth and style. These watches are often handmade and feature precious metals and gems, with prices ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. Some even have intricate complications such as moon phases, tourbillons, and minute repeaters. Owning a rare and expensive timepiece is a way for billionaires to showcase their taste and sophistication. Luxury watch brands are popular among billionaires. These brands offer not only precise timekeeping, but also exquisite craftsmanship and design. Some billionaires even collect vintage watches, which are often one-of-a-kind and have a rich history. Apart from their aesthetic value, luxury watches are also a valuable investment. Some models increase in value over time, making them a smart purchase for billionaires who want to diversify their portfolio. These watches are often passed down as heirlooms, with their value only increasing with age. The world of luxury timepieces is constantly evolving, with new designs and technology being introduced every year. For billionaires, owning the latest and most exclusive timepiece is a way to stay ahead of the trend and stand out from the crowd. Toys 5. The high-tech toy room, futuristic gadgets and machines. Billionaires are at the forefront of technology, and their homes are often equipped with the latest and greatest gadgets and machines. From voice-activated assistants to smart homes that can be controlled with the touch of a button, these futuristic devices offer convenience, comfort, and efficiency. Home automation systems allow owners to control their home's temperature, lighting, and security systems remotely, making their lives easier and safer. Smart appliances like refrigerators that can order groceries and ovens that can be preheated with a voice command are becoming more common in these high-tech homes. In addition to convenience, billionaires also invest in cutting-edge entertainment systems, such as virtual reality gaming systems and 4K projectors. They also use AI-powered robots as assistants and companions. Some billionaires even have a collection of spacecraft and rockets, showing their passion for space exploration. The possibilities for high-tech toys in billionaires' homes are endless, and they are constantly pushing the limits of technology to make their lives more comfortable and efficient. Toy 6. Palatial estates, homes that resemble towns. Billionaires often have palatial estates that are more than just homes. They are entire towns. These properties span hundreds of acres and feature multiple buildings, including mansions, guest houses, and staff quarters. These estates are often customized to the owner's liking, with features like private lakes, golf courses, and even helicopter pads. Some billionaires even have their own private zoos, complete with exotic animals like tigers and lions. These properties offer unparalleled privacy and seclusion, allowing owners to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. They are also a status symbol among the elite, showcasing their wealth and power. The cost of these estates ranges from tens of millions to hundreds of millions of dollars, depending on the size and location. Some billionaires even own multiple estates around the world, allowing them to experience different cultures and lifestyles. Despite the high cost, owning a palatial estate is a valuable investment for billionaires who value privacy, luxury, and exclusivity. Toy 7. Exotic pets, unusual companions. For some billionaires, owning exotic pets is a way to stand out from the crowd and showcase their individuality. These pets can range from rare and exotic birds to big cats like tigers and lions. Owning exotic pets comes with its own set of challenges, as these animals require specialized care and attention. Some billionaires even have dedicated staff to take care of their pets' needs, from grooming to feeding. These animals also require special permits and licenses, as owning certain species is illegal in some countries. Despite the challenges, owning exotic pets is a way for billionaires to show off their wealth and love for animals. However, it's important to note that owning exotic pets can be outright dangerous, both for the owners, the public, and the animals themselves. Many animal rights organizations oppose the practice, citing the harm it can cause to both the animals and their natural habitats. While owning exotic pets may be a way to showcase individuality, it's important to consider the welfare of the animals and the impact of their ownership on the environment. Toys 8. Private Islands, the ultimate escape. For billionaires who value privacy and seclusion, owning a private island is the ultimate escape. These islands offer unparalleled luxury, with breathtaking views and pristine beaches. Owners can customize their island to their liking, with features like private airstrips, docks, and even entire villages. Some islands even have their own ecosystems, allowing owners to explore the flora and fauna of their own private paradise. Private islands are not only a status symbol among the elite, but also offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city life. These islands are often located in remote locations, allowing owners to escape the crowds and enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. The cost of owning a private island ranges from a few million to hundreds of millions of dollars, depending on the size and location. Despite the high cost, owning a private island is a valuable investment for billionaires who value privacy, luxury, and exclusivity. The world's elite often compete to own the most exclusive and beautiful islands, making it an exciting time for those who collect them. Toys 9. A deep dive into luxury personal submarines. For billionaires who crave underwater adventures, personal submarines are the ultimate toy. These submersibles offer a unique way to explore the depths of the ocean, with panoramic views of the marine life and shipwrecks. Personal submarines are often customized to their owner's liking, with features like leather seats, air conditioning, and even champagne bars. Some submarines can dive to depths of over 1,000 feet, allowing owners to explore even the deepest parts of the ocean. The cost of personal submarines ranges from a few million to tens of millions, depending on the size and model. Despite the high cost, owning a personal submarine is a valuable investment for billionaires who value adventure and exclusivity. The technology behind personal submarines is constantly evolving, with new models being introduced every year. Some submarines are even designed to look like sea creatures, making the experience even more immersive. The world's elite often competes to own the most exclusive and advanced personal submarines, making it an exciting experience. Toys 10. Million-dollar art collections. Art collections have long been a staple of billionaire extravagance. These collections often house renowned pieces from legendary artists, some of which cost millions of dollars each. These collections are as much a testament to the billionaire's refined taste as they are a significant investment. Art is known to appreciate over time, and rare pieces from sought-after artists can increase in value exponentially. These collections are often displayed in private galleries within their palatial estates or even lent to art museums for public viewing. Some billionaires even have dedicated art advisors to help them curate their collections and acquire new pieces. Their art collections also often include unique pieces from contemporary artists, showcasing their commitment to supporting the arts and culture. However, it's not just about the investment or philanthropy. Many billionaires genuinely enjoy art and the process of collecting. It's a passion that adds another layer of opulence to their already extravagant lifestyle. Toys 11. Space travel, the ultimate billionaire toy. With the race to space heating up, some billionaires are taking their love for adventure to a whole new level, to outer space. A few have founded their own space exploration companies, while others are investing in technology that will enable space tourism. These pioneers of the cosmos are turning science fiction into reality, with some already testing suborbital flights and planning to build colonies on Mars. Investing in space travel is more than a billionaire's thrill. It's a chance to shape humanity's future, opening up opportunities for scientific research, asteroid mining, and even planetary colonization. While the cost of these ventures can reach into the billions, for these high-net-worth individuals, The prospect of becoming pioneers in the final frontier is priceless. While still in its early stages, space travel is quickly becoming the ultimate billionaire toy, a testament to their insatiable curiosity and relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. With every launch and every discovery, they are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, making it an exciting time for those who dare to dream beyond the stars. Time for the soft question. Which of these toys would you like to have once you get to be in the ranks of billionaires? And how would it help you save time and give you the lifestyle you have always wanted? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help viewers learn from each other and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.